All right, today is team match, Palma. Palma means we shoot 1,000. It's so freaking cold I can't even think. Let me start over. We shoot 800, 900, and then we move back to 1,000. Today it's freaking cold and windy. Let me show you. All right, later in the video, we're gonna take you to the Berger manufacturing plant for a tour. Stick around. So that's what the flex look like right now. And it is, they are whipping, man, I tell you. Look at how windy it is. I hope you guys can hear it. It's gusting like crazy today. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be 800. We started at 800, but even 800 is gonna be tough this morning. Anyway, I'm freaking cold, so. We are practicing for Team USA today, so I'm not gonna be showing you too much, but the practice is not any better. Look at that. It's like 30s right now. It's really windy, so the wind chill is horrendous. And as you can see, the wind is knocking all the chairs out. So something watch out. Especially if you have stand. Lay down because it gets pretty windy. Anyway, we started at 800. We've got two shooters on target right now. We're doing a pit change. We're gonna bring the other two out of the pit. We're gonna finish 800. Then we're moving back to 900. We're gonna do this two, and then we just keep going all the way to 1,000. All right, we're done with 800. Everybody's starting to move back to 900 now. We're gonna do another 2 and 15 from here. 2-siders, 15 for record. And because this is a team match, we have 4 shooters. We're done with 4 shooters. And we move back to 1,000. Still a lot of people shooting. These conditions are very tricky. So typically that slows the pace down quite a lot. That's why right there. These flags are way up there. And let me get you right here in line. You can see it's a headwind. So it's a strong one. So once those flags switch slightly, it means a lot on target. So again, very tricky conditions.
Not add one. Tell him to go.
All right, what's going on here?
This is the spotter that you shot yesterday that went back on the target, hit me in the jaw. On 40. Yeah, right there.
All right, there's the spotter. Yeah. 600 yards.
600 yards.
All right, you want me to sign it?
Please.
All right, I'll do that.
Thank you.
There it is.
Thank you very much, Erik.
You're welcome.
Erik hanging with the Irish guys.
Yeah. Freaking cold, ain't it? Why is it so cold?
I know. We brought the wind with us, but not the cold.
What do you guys think? What do you guys think about these conditions? The wind.
Absolutely insane. It's good.
It's good.
Good practice.
Good practice. Yeah.
Practice for individuals. You learn a lot.
Some crazy one calls me.
Yeah.
Definitely good, like good practice.
Yeah.
Really good.
It's
Well,
good to hear that.
Here.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Well, good to see you guys.
You too, Erik. Practice here, Roy.
You hiding? You hiding today? All right. So we got somebody from Lapua.
Yeah,
Dry fire.
beat out 14.
He's gonna take a shot at 1,000 yards here.
78.
We got Mr. Presley here.
Erik. Come back. Back off. See it? You get the whole scope, no black in the scope, the whole scope where you can see clear. And make sure that it's in your shoulder well, because it slides. So I don't want you to scope your. So this hand on there, and move it to the center. Just move that wherever you want. Put it on the center and then dry fire.
quality.
We're gonna get him some dry fire a couple of times. Oh yeah, just 9 right above the 10.
Go ahead and put the bolt down.
Pretty good. 1,000 yards.
Finger up trigger.
There's somebody down there pulling. They put a golf tee in it, a bunch of paddle. There's someone down there doing this. There's a big old cement wall. What it's called. But you can't see the cement wall. It's below the
Did exactly what I was saying. He had me three left.
That's just back
right here. And it went in. This one he gave me 2.5 left. And it went right close. But that was Huh? No, I didn't. That was the last shot, so we were going. But yeah, the gun should good. Dry fire.
Alright, good job.
And if you look through your scope here, Kimo, you can see your shot.
Alright, I want you to dry fire a couple times. You know what that is?
Perfect borderline.
This is how you move up and down. I know the kids go down to the right. You want to come back off the switch, probably.
I want you to watch when he shoots.
No, this much longer.
I want
Very
you to
snug in the
see.
shoulder because this whole rifle slides. Nice and easy. So I don't want you to scope yourself.
You can see the bullet because the disturbance from the shockwave. You can sometimes see that if you're kind of looking over the top of the target. Yeah, so it should be set up on the target you're shooting at. He's shooting at the same one you shot. So there's a number here. So go ahead and look at that.
Yeah, I saw
Well, what did you think?
That was super fun, super fun. I didn't catch the drill at my first shot, but I think I was getting better.
Yeah, you shot an X.
Yes.
That's the size of my fist at 1,000
Yeah, and
yards.
it's 1,000 yards. It's unbelievable, but you know, good equipment, so
Good
that's
job.
it.
Well, John, how'd it go today?
I've had better days, but you know, you try to walk away and learn something.
All right, get ready. We're about to do a tour at Berger Bullets. F-Class John's here.
Hey,
Let's go.
you can hear it hammering away in there.
Yep. I wonder if there's gonna be a lot of Oompa Loompas in there. That's what I want to see. Well, look at let me show you guys. You guys keep asking me about my components. Well, here's my stash. Let me show you my stash right quick.
Yeah, you got some good stuff when you used to post a lot.
There's my stash right here, my brass. So, yeah, I got it all. Anyway,
Big shout out to Eric, by the way. Without him, this wouldn't be happening. So, Eric, thanks for letting me come along.
anytime, buddy. So anyway, you guys probably figured it out. We are doing a tour of Capstone today. Yeah, it's fun. Look at this. Look at all this. I wonder if yours is in here. Look at that. A lot of Creed cases. PRC. What else do you see, John? 300 Win Mag. PRC. There's a lot of PRC cases. 260. Anyway, a lot of good stuff here. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. Stick around. All right, so we're at Berger Bullets today. It is, look at that behind me. It is bullet seats being made right now. And guess where we're at? America, baby. F+ Johnny's here with me, doing the tour. It's freaking, what do you think, John?
Oh, dude, this is insane. Absolutely insane. And I mean, the amount of machines they've been adding, and they're still like, they can't keep up with it. It's crazy.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Let me show you. So, those are jacket machines right there. Everything gets cleaned up over here. I mean, they're going. These are bullet making machines over here. Trust me, there's a lot going on in here. We can't show you too much. I'm sure you've heard of J4 jackets before. This is where they started. This is a jacket machine. This is the fourth machine. J4. That's where the name comes from. Right here. These are all rejects. Berger has such high standards that they will not sell these. They will actually destroy them. They don't have seconds. All they have is everything that meets production specifications. Everything that doesn't gets thrown away. Actually, it probably gets destroyed. It doesn't get thrown away, but yep. That's how serious they are about quality. We can't show you too much, but it's freaking awesome. Jeff over here. You want Jeff? Thank you for giving us the tour.
It's been a pleasure.
Freaking amazing. Thank you. All right, so after the tour, we're having a great dinner and aiming fluid. This is called aiming fluid right here. Anyway, time to go see bullets, clean barrels. That's it. Seabolt, you ready?
Yep.
All right, that's it.
Adios.
Keep them centered.